Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Escape ST line. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package, which is perfect for this nice cold weathering. Taking a look back here, we got dual exhaust, backup camera, got a nice little roof spoiler, we got roof racks as well, roof rails. We got a nice sleek looking body. We do get blind spot detection with this vehicle as well. And moving to the front, we have that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can use on the button here or the button on the key fob. Oh, and apparently it only wants to stop halfway, but it will go all the way up, which provides you with tons of storage space. You got storage cubbies, little hooks and doodads. You can lift this up for additional storage, and you can collapse that row if need be. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth and black leather interior with the red ST line stitching. Plenty of door space. Got your own fans back here with 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same cloth and leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space, you have your liftgate and lights all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 39.4 kilometers. We do have a heated leather up steering wheel with the red ST line stitching, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume voice, and cruise control. Looking at your screen here, we do have My View, trip and fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we have a gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, and auto stop auto start with cup holders, storage with some USB-C and a 12 volt. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, and slippery. We have a nice leather up center console with tons of more storage. We have dual climate up front with heated seats, volume tune, all that media stuff. Storage in the glove compartment, we got those nice carbon fiber accents. And looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get SiriusXM capabilities, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Settings, apps in general, there's that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UA39381, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.